Hello friends, good morning to you all. Myself Ayush Singh from class 9th. Today I am going to give the central idea of a poem Slumbered in My Spirit Seal. This poem was composed by a romantic poet William Wordsworth. In this poem, the author used slumber word for deep sleep and spirit seal word for to seal a soul, in which author has described his feelings and thinkings regarding to the death of her beloved and how the death of her beloved sealed the soul of authors and make him mentally weak. In the last line of this poem, author has described he can feel and sense his beloved in each and every particles of the earth. Thank you to you all. Have a nice day.
Hello guys, good morning to you all. I am Shashank Sazif from 9th standard. I am going to tell the central idea of poem A Slumber Did My Spirit Cell. In this poem composed by William Wordsworth. In this poem, he has used slumber इतना याद है बहुत सारा है.
Hello friends, good morning to all. I am Krishna Gupta from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a poem of central idea of a poem, A Slumbered in My Spirit Seal. A Slumbered in My Spirit Seal is a poem which is composed by William Wordsworth. In this poem, he has used slumber words to indicate death and sleep for the soul. In this poem, he has told the death of beloved has made him mentally weak. He has told after death of her body has neither force nor motion. He has told he feel in each and everything, and he has also told Sarup retake.
Friends, good morning to all of you. Myself Vinay Yadav of standard 9th. I am deliver a value of education, and education is a such ability that enable us to each and everything without losing our temper. And education play an important role in the development of our country. And education person can understand the value of his and fundamental rights. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning to you all. My name is MD Asjad Raja from class 9th. Today I describe what is the value of education. Education is such ability that enable us to each and everything without losing our temper. Education plays an important role in the development of a country.
Friend, good morning to all. Myself Rahul Kumar from class 9. I am going to tell central ideas from poem Slumbered in My Spirit Seal. In this poem, which is composed by William Wordsworth, in this poem he has used slumber words to indicate death and soul. In this poem, he has described the death.
Hello friends, I am Rahul Kumar Thakur, standard 9. I am telling here a central idea of A Slumbered in My Spirit Seal. A Slumbered in My Spirit Seal is a poem which is composed by William Wordsworth, which in this poem which has slumbered word used indicate to death and spirit for soul. In this poem, he has told that the death of his beloved as made of mentally weak. He has told that after death her body is neither force nor motion. She neither feels nor sees anything. He has telling that last line, he has feels that.
Hello friends, good morning to you all. I am Priyanshu Kumar Singh from standard 9. I am here to deliver central idea of the poem The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken is the poem which is composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, he has described about such road on which vehicle of our life run. Just as the speed of vehicle becomes slow when there is an obstacle or a breaker is found in the road. The author has described about yellow wood which indicates the miserable condition of our life. Just as the branches of plants leave those leaves who make food for them, who work hard and make food for them. Just as our own relatives and friends also leave us alone when we are in a miserable condition of our life. In which at that time we have to make right decision which makes all the differences in our life.
Good morning friends, I am Rachitra Srivastava from class 9th. I am telling about the central idea of the poem The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken was composed by the Robert Frost. The Road Not Taken summary is the poem describes the dilemma of a person that is standing on a road with divergence. This divergence describes the real life situation. Sometimes in real life we can take a tough decision in our life, so that the road not taken summary focus on making a wise decision in our life. That's all. Thank you.
Friends, myself Avinav from class 9th. I am here to deliver the central idea of the poem Slumber Did My Spirit Sleep. Slumber Did My Spirit Sleep is a poem which is composed by William Wordsworth. In this poem, he has used slumber word to indicate the death and spirit for his soul. In this poem, he has described the death of his beloved one as bad and mentally weak. He has told the after death of her body as neither in force or not sees anything. In the ending of the poem, he is telling that he feels her each and everything. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ankit Kumar from class 9th standard. Today I am going to deliver a central idea of the poem, that is The Slumber Did My Spirit Soul. The Slumber Did My Spirit Soul is a poem which is composed by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a romantic poet. In this poem he used slumber word to indicate death and spirit for soul. In this poem he described the death of his beloved that made him mentally weak. In this poem he is told that the death after death her body has neither force nor motion. She neither see nor feel anything. In the last line he is telling that he can feel her each and everything. That's all. Thank you.